Yeah, this the anthem, hear the rhythm call. Badass swagger standing 10 feet tall. High stakes energy, we rising to the peak. Off-beat confidence is how we always speak. Talk is cheap, my actions always speak the loudest. Built this empire from the ground, no doubt it's proudest. Every bar a statement, every line a hit. They watching from the sidelines, throwing fits. You feel that rumble?
That's right. Seedance 2 just spooked Hollywood and has rattled the Hollywood industry. The writer of Deadpool took to X and mentioned this is likely the end. Seedance 2 is the first video generation model to rival Hollywood level quality. In this video, we will review whether this is actually true or not. Stay tuned till the end. In order to get started with Seedance 2.0, head over to SGen AI tool. There's an interface in which you can reference up to 6 images and up to 3 videos. Yes, that's right. With the new Seedance 2.0 model, you can now use videos as the input reference to generate extended sequences of videos. In the opening scene, I've put in this close-up shot of myself, and for my second image, I put in an image of myself in a luxury plane fighting bad guys. And here is the prompt. It's a simple prompt. You can set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and the duration to 15 seconds. I just fed in my own photo for perfect character consistency and a basic action prompt. Seedance 2 autonomously generated its entire fully fledged sequence, figuring out the complex choreography and cinematic pacing completely on its own. The opening tension rivals any Hollywood blockbuster's practical stunt work. Notice the flawless physics simulation suspending the dust and rippling the air. Then it explodes into dynamic, hyper-realistic martial arts choreography. Every impact carries authentic physical weight, creating a truly cinematic sequence. Yes, we do see many users generate these fancy scenes, but as a director, we want to ensure that we have complete control at each second. Is this actually possible to control the output at each timestamp, including multi-shot scenes? Actual prompt, as you can see, this was the prompt that I used. Segment, we have different timestamps. So the timestamps literally controls when we want our multi-shot scenes to appear, and at each timestamp, we can control what actions we want to be performed. Notice how precise timestamp control lets us build dynamic multi-shot sequences from scratch. At exactly 4 seconds, we force a cutscene to a 180-degree tracking angle. This workflow gives us total command over when and how the camera moves. By dictating these camera angles, you can direct AI clips exactly like a pro filmmaker. But the real magic is scene extension. By using previous clips as references, you can seamlessly chain shots together to build an entire feature-length movie. This ensures that you're able to make movies as long as you want with ease, no longer worrying about the start frame and end frame sequences and chaining those two together. We can now use references as videos, which is quite cool, I believe. Next, we head over to the scene towards the end. We've seen models try and mimic drama and dramatic scenes. However, how good is Seedance 2 at mimicking a drama scene? Look at the raw emotion here. The model's evolution in capturing intense psychological drama is staggering. The visceral breakdown shows a level of agonizing realism that AI previously struggled to achieve. Combined with chaotic, erratic camera work, it proves this tool is now a powerhouse for genuine thrillers. How about using Seedance 2.0 for making AI influences? All I did was just feed in this reference image of the supermodel and prompt it with a simple prompt. The supermodel at image 1 is vlogging at her mansion in front of a pool. She introduces herself in.
Hi, my name is Arya, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my favorite healthy and easy meals. Just kidding. I had pizza and beer for dinner, but I'm excited to share these recipes with you guys.
I also wanted to try something a bit more extreme, like a cool fighting scene. So I fed in this close-up image of myself and my prompted SGen AI create an epic cinematic battle scene where the man at image 1 wearing a Kung Fu outfit beats the enemy. Fighting style should be Shaolin Kung Fu, highly cinematic action, comedy, fantasy. Make sure to mention highly cinematic. Look at the results. Wow, from just a simple prompt, I feel like a director already. My final verdict on Seedance 2.0, has it achieved Hollywood level quality? To a certain degree, yes. However, we're still close to Hollywood level quality, but not just there as yet.
Yeah, this the anthem, hear the rhythm call. Bang! Badass swagger standing 10 feet tall. Stand high stakes energy, we rising to the peak. Offbeat confidence is how we always speak. Talk is cheap, my actions always speak the loudest. Built this empire from the ground, no doubt it's proudest. Every bar a statement, every line a hit. They watching from the sidelines, throwing fits. You feel that rumble? Watch them stumble, never crumble. Yeah, this the anthem, hear the rhythm call. Badass swagger standing 10 feet tall. High stakes energy, we rising to the peak. Offbeat confidence is how we always speak. You know it's deal.
Come in. You're not gonna believe this.
If you enjoyed this video, stay tuned in for more exciting videos to come. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button and turn on your post notifications to stay updated. You can see my previous videos on the links above. Catch you later. Ciao.